Are you interested in making money online through social media marketing? In this video, we'll show you how to get started with this popular online business model. We'll cover everything from choosing the right platforms and creating engaging content to growing your audience and generating revenue through affiliate marketing and sponsored content. Whether you're new to social media marketing or looking to take your existing business to the next level, this video has something for everyone. So if you're ready to start making money online in 2023, be sure to watch this video and learn how to succeed with social media marketing. Here are some additional tips for optimizing your YouTube content for social media marketing. Choose the right social media platforms. Choose the social media platforms that are most relevant to your audience and align with your business goals. This can include platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Create engaging content. Create engaging content that resonates with your audience and encourages them to interact with your brand. This can include a mix of text, images, and video content that provides value to your followers. Use hashtags and keywords. Use relevant hashtags and keywords in your social media posts to increase your visibility and reach new audiences. This can also help you rank higher in search results on platforms like Instagram and Twitter. Grow your audience. Use a mix of organic and paid strategies to grow your social media following and increase your engagement. This can include tactics like hosting giveaways, collaborating with other creators, and using paid advertising to reach new audiences. Monetize your social media presence. Once you've built a strong social media presence, you can start monetizing your account through affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and other revenue-generating strategies. Be sure to disclose any sponsored content or affiliate links to maintain transparency with your audience. Remember, building a successful social media marketing business on YouTube takes time and effort. Keep creating engaging content, growing your audience, and monetizing your presence, and you'll be on your way to success. Good luck!